Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, ayat 167. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوا لَوْ أَنَّ لَنَا كَرَّةً فَنَتَبَرَّأَ مِنْهُمْ كَمَا تَبَرَّؤُوا مِنَّا كَذَلِكَ يُرِيهِمُ اللَّهُ أَعْمَالَهُمْ حَسَرَاتٍ عَلَيْهِمْ وَمَا هُمْ بِخَارِجِينَ مِنَ النَّارِ. English translation: And those who followed will say, if only we had one more chance, we would disown them as they have disowned us. Thus will Allah show them their deeds as regrets upon them, and they are never to emerge from the fire. Word to word translation of this verse: Wakala, and will say, Allazina, those who attaba'u, followed, law, if, anna, that, lana, for us, karratan, one more chance, fanatabarra'a, then we would disown minhum, from them, kama, just as, tabarra'u, they disown, minna, from us, kazalika, thus, Juriyahum, will show them, Allahu, Allah, A'maluhum, their deeds, Hasaratin, as regrets, Alayhim, upon them, Wama, and never, whom they, Bikharijin, will they emerge, min, from, anar, the fire. Explanation of this verse: this verse continues the theme of regret and despair on the day of judgment. Those who followed the misguided leaders and influential figures in this world will express their deep regret. They will wish for a second chance to return to the worldly life so that they can disown their leaders just as those leaders are disowning them in the afterlife. However, this desire will be futile as Allah will show them the consequences of their deeds, which will be a source of immense sorrow and regret. Moreover, the verse emphasizing the finality of their punishment, they will never be able to escape the fire. Reason for the revelation of this verse serves as a stern warning to the follower of false leader and ideologies, stressing the point that blind adherence to such figures without seeking the truth will lead to eternal regret. In the context of Quraysh and other polytheistic tribes, it addressed those who follow their forefathers' practice and leaders without questioning their validity. It highlights the ultimate reality that on the day of judgment, these followers will not only be abandoned by their leader but will also wish that they could disown them in the worldly life. Even related to the revelation of this verse, the verse reflects the broader situation of the disbelievers of Makkah who, despite being given clear guidance through the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, choose to follow their ancestors and tribal leaders to worshipping idols and other false practice. The regret expressed in the verse is a portrayal of what these followers will experience on the day of judgment when they realize the truth but find it too late to change their fate. This scenario serves as a powerful reminder to seek and adhere to the truth rather than blindly following others.